Imagine holding a device that doesn't just respond to your commands, but actively anticipates your thoughts, reshapes your reality through light, and packs more computational power than the servers that sent humanity to the moon. Apple has officially broken the boundaries of mobile technology with the release of the iPhone 18 Pro Max. For years, critics argued that the smartphone had hit a brick wall. In this video, we saw the same predictable pattern. A slightly faster chip, a slightly brighter screen, a minor camera tweak, and a shiny new color. The tech world was growing bored, trapped in a cycle of lazy iterations. But Apple just shattered that stagnation with a device that feels less like a phone and more like a quantum computer wrapped in premium titanium. The global tech community is in a state of absolute, unadulterated chaos over this launch. Silicon Valley engineers are analyzing its architecture in disbelief. Professional filmmakers are leaving their heavy cinema cameras in the studio, and average users are wondering if mobile hardware has finally crossed the line into science fiction. But beneath the jaw-dropping corporate presentation and the tidal wave of flawless reviews, a deeply unsettling question remains. Is the iPhone 18 Pro Max a monumental triumph of human engineering built to elevate your life? Or has Apple deployed their most sophisticated, hyper-calculated psychological trap, yet to lock you permanently into their ecosystem while draining your bank account? To discover the absolute truth, we have to look past the pristine marketing videos and analyze exactly what happens when you push this titanium titan to its absolute crushing limits. The exact millisecond your fingers touch the frame of the iPhone 18 Pro Max, the physical evolution hits you like a shockwave. Apple has completely re-engineered the material science of the chassis, introducing a highly advanced, ultra-lightweight aerospace-grade matrix that makes the phone feel impossibly balanced in your palm. The bezels have been shaved down to a microscopic border, creating a seamless, edge-to-edge canvas that completely melts away into your surroundings. But the real crown jewel, the feature causing an absolute meltdown across the entire consumer market, is the revolutionary display architecture. Apple has implemented an advanced, next-generation adaptive refresh system that operates in perfect harmony with a blindingly bright panel. The contrast is entirely organic, the colors possess a vivid, lifelike depth, and the fluid responsiveness makes the software feel alive. Navigating the operating system feels so instantaneous, it almost feels like the device is predicting your physical touch before your finger even makes contact with the glass. But a flawless window into the digital world is completely useless without an uncompromised engine to drive it. And this is where Apple dropped their ultimate processing weapon. Deep inside the silicon core of the iPhone 18 Pro Max lies a custom architecture chip built on a pioneering sub-2 nanometer manufacturing process. Apple has packed billions of microscopic transistors into a power envelope that defies the basic laws of thermodynamics. When you trigger intensive tasks, the raw speed is genuinely terrifying. Applications don't just load, they materialize instantly. But the true magic reveals itself when you engage the heavily upgraded neural engine, an absolute powerhouse engineered from the ground up to run multi-billion parameter, localized artificial intelligence models completely off